Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Hello, I'm Hao Huan. Today, I'll share with you in a voiceover format the makeup look that's been trending on Instagram, created by a Vietnamese blogger. Start with a makeup base, then use a hydrating toner. Finally, apply sunscreen. I really like this sunscreen I've been using lately. It's light, and it's from the brand Giozi. I've had an upset stomach for 2 days, so I'm taking some montmorillonite powder to help stop diarrhea. I have to admit, it tastes really bad, like drinking lime water. For today's foundation, I'm using Lancme's long-lasting foundation. As you can see, the shade is a bit yellow for me, but the texture and staying power of this foundation are amazing. So, I like to use a concealer I bought at home to brighten up my face overall. This concealer is quite good, light and stays in place well. Then I use MAC's 6 Color Concealer to precisely cover my tear troughs. This concealer is quite good. It's very light and thin, and it's also pretty tight. Then use MAC's 6 Color Concealer. Accurately cover my tear troughs, because my tear troughs are really deep. Finally, I use Borami's loose powder to set my whole face. Apply some lip balm. This lip balm is from AOP. For the eyebrows, we need to draw them slightly thicker. Draw a few strokes upwards at the beginning of the eyebrows to emphasize the overall flow of the eyebrows. After drawing, use a brush to blend naturally. Then use mascara primer. Brush the front part of the eyebrows upwards to make the flow of the eyebrows more obvious. As for the nose shadow, it's the same as usual. Draw 2 double C lines. First, draw double C fish pink across the middle. Finally, draw a small V at the tip of the nose. For the eyeshadow, I first used nose shadow powder to reduce puffiness. Then, switch to a brush. Choose a brown eyeshadow to shade the eyelids. Because the overall makeup is in gray-pink tones, so we also need to use an orange eyeshadow. For the blush, I'm using shade 49. To deepen the front half of the eyes, let the overall pink tone be more prominent. Finally, personally, I prefer to use a sharp brush to draw the lower part. It's easier to control, but I also messed up on the first try. As you can see, the lower part looks scary. I redid it, and this time it finally succeeded. Then, dip into a dark eyeshadow and blend the lower part. The focus of the makeup is here. We need to choose a bright color around us to draw the inner part of the eyes with concealer to brighten the overall inner eye. On top of the concealer, we add some highlight. This way, the makeup effect is closer to the one in the photos. Curl the eyelashes. Apply mascara primer. Fill in the waterline with an eyeliner pencil. For the outer corner, draw a long and upward flick for a cat eye look. I personally prefer to use an eyeliner pencil first, and then use a black liquid eyeliner pen to deepen the color. This way, it's less likely to make mistakes. Dip into a dark eyeshadow. Blur the outer edges of the eyeliner to make the overall eye makeup more layered. Use Hualwolia's eyeliner pen to draw a horizontal mole. Then, above the pupil, use highlighter to brighten. Attach false eyelashes. Many people asked about this false eyelash before. It's the Little Devil style from Litsu. Finally, lightly brush the lower eyelashes. As for the blush, I'm using shade 49, also from Litsu. It's the same color as the eyeshadow, a gray pink shade. Apply a bit to the nose tip and chin. Then, use Makeup Forever's highlighter to brighten under the eyes. For the highlight on the nose tip, I use concealer first. Then add a shimmering highlight. Then, use the highlight to brighten the cheeks and the brow bones for a natural glow. Finally, the lipstick. I'm using N10 from Intuyu. Also, a gray pink color. I really love their lip mousse. Finally, use the eyeliner pen to draw a few beauty marks. And there you have it, our complete makeup look. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.